Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to find your likes on Facebook. So from here you can just open the Facebook app on the in this Android device. So here you can just click to the top right corner of profile icon of settings. So from here you can just click to the profile, and from there you will see the three dots, and here is you will see the activity log. So you will just open the activity log, and from here you will see the activity history. So you will just click to the activity history, and once it will be loading. So here you can see from June 24 2024, so there are the likes history. You can find from here in activity history. So it's very easy and simple. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.